equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson SV10 may experience battery issues, often indicated by a sudden loss of suction or the vacuum shutting off unexpectedly. This can occur due to battery wear over time, and if not addressed, it can lead to complete device failure. To fix this, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement battery compatible with the Dyson SV10, and a soft cloth to protect the device's surface. To begin the repair, ensure the vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel of the vacuum. Once the panel is off, locate the battery, which is typically secured with additional screws. Gently unscrew these and disconnect any cables attached to the battery. When removing the old battery, take care not to damage any surrounding components. After removing the old battery, take your new battery and connect it, ensuring the cables are secure. Reattach the screws to hold the battery in place, and then replace the back panel, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent future battery issues, ensure you regularly clean the vacuum and avoid overcharging the battery. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.